ba?
So scary! Wow, it's so green. Ganda! Takot yung place. Of our road trip. It's day 3 and we are in Leyte. We just checked out of our hotel and we are in front of the provincial capital of Leyte. So, nakita namin yung city hall nila pero dito rin located yung provincial capital of the whole Leyte island. So, I'm gonna show it to you. It's one of the tourist attractions here and ang ganda ng kanyang architecture design. Like, parang siyang building sa Washington DC yung kanyang architectural designs of columns. So let's look at the columns. This is the Tagalog word for provincial capital. Pumunuan sa Sanlalawigan. So you can see the huge columns. Ang laki. They don't have a ganda ng architecture naman nila. So we just finished taking pictures at the provincial capital of Leyte, not Philippines, of Leyte. So maganda siyang structure, great for picture taking. And right now we are heading to MacArthur Landing Memorial Park. So see you there.
May isu yan? Magkano? Ha? 20 ang isa. Ano yan? Sweet corn o ano? White corn? Sweet corn. Ay,
ako.
Tatlo lang ate.
Bagong harvest. So we are now in our second, it's kind of drizzling right now, but we are in our second tourist spot here in Tacloban. Yeah, it is MacArthur Landing Memorial Park, National Park. Okay, let's cross this street. There's no flag. What is this? Oh, so baka pag naka-on siya, umikot yung water. Wow. A memorial for a fulfilled promise. On October 20, 1944, General Douglas MacArthur, together with the leaders of the Philippine Commonwealth and the Combined Alliance of the Philippines and American Armed Forces, waited on this hallowed shores of Leyte. So we are now here at the MacArthur Memorial Landing National Park. That is MacArthur, the memorial of MacArthur Landing here in the Philippines. Ang daming lumot. That is MacArthur. We are done with the picture taking of the MacArthur Memorial National Park. I have here a footprint of maybe General Douglas MacArthur, and it says here that General Douglas MacArthur wanted to be remembered as the one who carried to our land the solace, hope, and faith of Christian morals. Okay, so I researched a while ago while waiting for our turn to take pictures that General Douglas MacArthur did land at the exact spot of this here in Leyte Island. So it's super hot. The sky is so blue, and now we are heading down to San Ricardo Port, where we will cross going to Mindanao. Red bridge over there, you can see it. I think we're going to cross the river. That's the river. I mean, that's the bridge that is closed. And this is the bridge that we are going to cross. It's them. So we are crossing the river. We are having a detour because that bridge is closed. They're repairing it. So we're having a detour. Children are swimming over there. And we're trying to fly the drone para makita kami nag-cross the river. Pwede na lang pick up yung dala ng friend namin, and we're using a 4x4 car. Malalim ba dyan? Okay, so we're having a stopover, see our break, and at the same time I'm going to see this bridge because para siyang may view deck, and I don't know why my view deck. The name of the bridge is Agas Bridge. It's quite high, and the yellow part, I don't know why there's a view deck, so that's the name, Agas Bridge. Okay, so I'm on the bridge already. Wala pa pala ng view deck. That's the view deck, the yellow part. Whoa, it's high! Nakakalula! Look! Ah! Oh my gulay! We're almost at the view deck and it's so scary! Okay, I'm here. And here's the view. Pretty high. I don't know, where's the river? Oh, yun yung river. Nakita ko na. Okay, so I'm going to cross the bridge. And we're going to see the other side of the bridge. Oh, it's so scary. Wow, it's so green. Ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ng plants. So green. So we saw the zip line, and I'm going up to ask them if they are open. But look at the stairs, it's quite scary. Scary. Kuya, open kayo? Open. Whoa. This is the view. Zip line is not open. But that is the bridge. Oh, yan yung bridge. Agas Bridge. And I don't think the zip line. Is this a zip line? No, I don't think it's a zip line. They have, maybe that part is the zip line. This is the carriage that you can just sit on. But I don't think they're open. That view is amazing. I want to show you. Nakakatakot yung place. Ano, di ba? Walang katao-tao. It's all grown up with weeds and everything. Ako lang nandito. Actually, pagdating ko may tao. Akala ko sila yung nagmamanage. Oh, it's so scary. So we're having a lunch stopover before heading straight to San Ricardo Pier. The name of this food strip is Leyte food trip. So it is in front of the ocean. There you go. Isn't it pretty? And this is what it looks like. We're eating at Yasong Eatery. Ang pinaka nag-unang niya na namin napasok ko sa bus. I think that translates to pinaka-unang kainan.
Yung akin.